Okay, so this is the Toolmaster knee at the moment, the y-axis weighs. I've got the flats scraped in. They came in within about 2/10. There was, I mean, this point, these three here were perfect within the 10th, and then this back one dropped maybe 1.5, and pretty co-planar either way. Anyway, pretty good. I was happy with that. So I'm just doing the shears now. So I've roughed it in, and so we're 10.5, 2/10 there. Keep in mind this is just rough. And I should run out of travel soon. But yeah, pretty much. The other side I scraped in when the knee was off the machine with a parallel, so I could push scrape it. Most of this is having to be pull scraped. It's a fucking nightmare. But yeah, averaging roughly on the highs within about a tenth if you go off the highs, but overall fluctuates 3/10 at most. So pretty happy with that so far. Just need to get that bearing up now, and should be right.